Tired of clunky controls, dead batteries mid-battle, or one controller for every device? Say hello to the Switch Pro Controller VOYEE, a game-changer built to dominate every platform. Whether you're slaying monsters on Switch, streaming PC games, or grinding mobile titles, this wireless powerhouse delivers seamless performance with one-key pairing across Switch, iOS, Android, and Windows. Dive into immersive gameplay with RGB lightning bolts that pulse, breathe, or strobe in 9 colors. Perfect for setting the mood. Crush competition using programmable M1, M2 buttons and 3-speed turbo up to 20 clicks sec, while the 6-axis gyro and 4-level vibration make every move feel real. With a 1000 mAh battery, 15-hour runtime, ergonomic design, and sleek gift-ready packaging, it's the ultimate upgrade for casual gamers, pros, or anyone craving style and substance. Ready to play smarter, faster, and brighter? Your victory lap starts here. Brand: VOYEE compatible devices. Switch Lite, Switch OLED, Windows, iOS, controller type, gamepad, connectivity technology, wireless, item weight, 6.9 ounces, manufacturer, Dongguan Chenhao Electronic Technology Company Limited, model name, S08. About this item: RGB cool lightning bolt and 1000 mAh battery. Switch controller with lightning bolt style and 9-color LED looks really cool for light modes, solid lights, breathing lights, RGB strobe LED light and LED off, fully charged 3 to 4 hours, runtime 10 to 15 hours. Widely compatible and one-key pairing. Wake up! The Switch Pro controller is compatible with Switch Lite, OLED, iOS, Android, PC, Windows. The 8th of July 10 only rock for PC under wired connection. 2 pairing ways. Support one key to wake up your Switch console. Programmable button and 3 speeds turbo. Switch controllers has simplified complex skill operations with M1, M2 key. Support single and multiple mapping, 3 adjustable burst. 5 shots S, 12 shots S, and 20 shots S. Programming and turbo will maximize gameplay. Sensitive motion control and 4-level nice vibration. 6-axis gyro sensor help you react quickly. Enhance experience in sports games. Buttons and joysticks are responsive, no lag. Dual vibration motors with 4-level feedback. Strong, medium, weak, and none. Great gift for all people. This cool Switch controller will be great gifts for women, men, girl, boy, family, and friends. Packing list: 1X wireless Switch controller, 1X Type-C cable, 1X detailed user manual, 1X cool gift box.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.